ways a few individuals have made a more profound impact on the educational landscape. De John Dewey, he challenged prevailing norms by advocating for a progressive, hands-on form of education. This made him a pro-racing and the intriguing figure. After all, after all change always ruffles a few feathers, his learning theory remains influential because it is focused on the role of our experiences, active engagement, and our capacity for reflection. It's easy to see why these ideas have an staying power. After all, would you say it's better to learn how to ride a bike by reading a textbook or saddling up? He himself puts it, education is not preparation for life education. Life itself, learning theories help us to understand how we acquire knowledge, skills, and behaviors. In this turn, this help us to build optimized learning environments and framework for effective instruction. With this in mind, John Dewey's learning still has plenty to offer modern guidance. During this article, we'll break down the central tenets the theory, explore some critique, and apply this technique to world of online learning. Less influential works such as Democracy and Education, The Public and Its Problem and Experience and Nature. He was advocate for democracy and major voice for progressive education throughout the 20th century. As historian, Dewey was the guide, the mentor, and the sequences of the American people.